Are you looking for the best monster high RC cars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best monster high RC cars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SLHFPX Remote Control Monster Truck. The SLHFPX RC Monster Truck offers exciting features for kids aged 6 to 8. With LED headlights and a simulated NOS spray, it enhances nighttime racing fun. The sturdy design, made from explosion-proof materials, ensures durability and protection for the internal components. Its 2.4 GHz technology allows for long-range control up to 100 feet, enabling multiple cars to race simultaneously without interference. Additionally, the powerful motor and rugged tires let you tackle various terrains, from sand to rocky paths, making it an ideal toy for adventurous outdoor play. What we like: durable construction materials, nighttime racing features, long-range control, fast speed on various terrains. Number 2. Fisca RC Car Stunt Car. The Fisca Stunt Car is a full-functional remote control toy that offers an exciting and thrilling experience for kids aged 4 to 12. This 4WD monster truck is designed to overcome any obstacles with ease, thanks to its double-sided running capability and 360-degree stunt flip rotation spinning. Made with high-quality plastic and rubber tires, it is durable and can handle any outdoor condition. With a 2.4 GHz high specific frequency, it has a long control distance and good anti-jamming capability, allowing for multiple cars to play at the same time without interference. The Fisca Stunt Car is equipped with 2 powerful motors for high speed and flexible wheels for quick turns. It also comes with a rechargeable battery and USB cable for convenient charging. It makes a perfect gift for birthdays and Christmas, providing hours of fun and excitement. What we like: full functional, high quality material, high speed. Number 3. Sjpzwcrl Remote Control Monster Truck. The Sjpzwcrl RC Monster Truck offers an exciting off-road experience for both kids and adults. Its independent suspension and anti-skid tires ensure smooth rides over various terrains like sand, grass, and rocky paths. With a top speed of 20 km per hour, you can enjoy thrilling races and chase adventures. The truck also features protective bumpers that safeguard it from drops and impacts, making it durable for rough play. Plus, the bright LED lights enhance nighttime fun, allowing you to continue the excitement even after the sun goes down. What we like: fast 20 km per hour speed, durable anti-collision bumpers, bright LED lights, longer battery life, excellent off-road capability. Number 4. MUYOLO Remote Control Shark Truck. The MUYOLO RC Shark Truck is designed to provide thrilling adventures on any surface. With its 4-wheel drive capability, you can take it from the beach to the backyard, making playtime exciting and versatile. Its anti-jamming technology allows multiple trucks to race without interference, ensuring uninterrupted fun. The waterproof design means you can splash around in the pool or drive through puddles worry-free. Plus, with easy maintenance and 2 rechargeable batteries, you'll enjoy up to 60 minutes of continuous play. This truck is perfect for kids seeking adventure and excitement. What we like: all-terrain capability, anti-jamming technology, waterproof design, extended playtime. Number 5. iBlivers Unicorn RC Monster Truck. The iBlivers Unicorn RC Car is the perfect blend of charm and excitement for your child. Its adorable unicorn design will surely delight them, while the vibrant LED lights and interactive spray function create a magical playtime atmosphere. This remote control car excels on any surface, allowing your little adventurer to explore both indoors and outdoors without limits. Built with durable materials, it can withstand the rough play typical of enthusiastic kids, ensuring long-lasting fun and adventure. Your child will enjoy countless hours of imaginative play with this captivating toy. What we like: adorable unicorn design, vibrant LED lights, All-terrain capability. Durable construction.